So there is so much happening in AI right now, it's hard to keep track. Technology is now moving faster than the ability of companies to deploy it. 12 hours ago, Anthropic released Claude Sonnet 4.6, saying that it is its most powerful model yet for coding, reasoning, and handling large volumes of data. The interesting part is this is just weeks after launching Claude Opus 4.6. In less than 2 weeks, new models are being launched that will do all kinds of knowledge work, tasks such as analyzing documents, working with spreadsheets, summarizing reports, or assisting with design workflows. Indian companies are trying to get up to speed. Infosys recently partnered with Anthropic for the Claude model, and the question is, why are Indian companies skipping innovation and continuing to partner with foreign innovators? A popular criticism for a while has been that Indian AI startups are just wrappers built on top of global LLMs. But remember, training large language models demands deep research, massive compute power, and two things which are unfortunately have not picked up speed in India. One is the risk taking capacity, and the other is risk capital. Nandan Nilekani, speaking at the Infosys Investor AI Day, spoke about the problems in the tech sector. He said that accumulated tech debt over decades must be paid. Modernization of legacy systems cannot be deferred anymore. But building advanced AI systems remains capital intensive, and we all know that. So, two questions: can India build its own AI stack? Pratyush Kumar, who's the CEO and co-founder of Sarvam AI at the AI Summit, said that it is natural that India should develop these technologies at home, but first they should solve for capital intensity and research depth. Then the perennial question: what happens to jobs? There was an alarming statement by the Microsoft CEO, the AI CEO, who said that most white collar jobs will be replaced by AI in the next 18 months. Pratyush of Sarvam AI said that the rules of talent are shifting fast as AI is accelerating across sectors. AI is pretty much eroding the premium placed on static knowledge. Because there is AI, what you know matters less than how quickly you can learn and execute. The rate of learning matters much more than what you have learned. So people with agency to learn, agency to solve things will still find a place and space in corporate India.